here at Unadilla, New York. You know, it's a little chillier today, but man, it's the heat's on in the championship points. Right now, me and Jeffrey are tied for third, and there's a big battle for first. But between me and Jeffrey, man, I'm ready to see if I can fight through here and get some points on him, and maybe go into Red Bull with a little bit more of a gap. You know, he got hurt before the last round, and he suffered an injury and had to fight through to get where he got. But you know, we've all had our bad luck, and I'm just looking forward to keep pushing and hopefully battle out the rest of the year with him and see who comes out on top.
All right, after sunset, had some excitement after the race. My wife's water broke during the first moto and had to hustle off the podium, head to the hospital, and we had our baby boy Lakin. Super blessed on that. I got good training in, but like it's definitely different having the baby there. It's like kind of like all you want to do is hang out with him and just be with him. But you know, I got a job to do, and hopefully we prepared ourselves good for this weekend. And track's pretty fast here, smooth. We got like perfect temperatures, about 75 degrees, and we're gonna try and get out there and get some good starts today and put this thing on the top of the step of the box and try to regain this points lead.
I woke up a little sick today. My wife Carly had a little strep throat, and I think I got a little bit of that, but we're gonna work through it and do what we can do today. Try to maintain the points lead, and if not, maybe even gain some more points today. But either way, happy to be here and ready to go out there and race some motos.
And all of us make their way.
Just finished up Moto 2 here at Unadilla. Pulled off the overall 1-1 today. Second moto was great for me, pulled that start, and it's definitely what I needed. This track was so smooth and it was hard to pick up time, and it just worked out that I got the start and never looked back, and I think I had like a 5 or 6 second lead at the end, but definitely a great day for me in the championship points race, and gaining 6 points, now 9 ahead, heading into Redbud. Last year at Redbud I had a 1-1 finish too, so it's just a couple good tracks coming up, and I'm really excited for them, and I'm ready to finish out these 4 motos strong.
Okay, first moto, got an excellent start, pulled a hole shot, tried to run my own lines for a while. Joel started pressuring me, and he got around me, but second moto didn't quite get the start. Had to settle for second today, but heading to Redbud next. We're gonna try and regroup, and one of my favorite tracks, so we're gonna try and carry some momentum there and try and rebuild and make it happen there. And 4th of July weekend here, it's a celebration of our country, and we're just going to try and enjoy our second today, but it's going to be hard to really make that happen. But thank you, my sponsors and everybody. Thank you.
It's definitely my kryptonite of tracks, but man, we came out good today. 3-4 for the 3rd overall, and I'm pumped to be up on the box. I had to come from way back that second moto, but I'm pumped. I made up good points in the championship. Jeffrey put up a huge fight today, and man, for him coming off energy, he did very solid, but stoked to get back up here in the box, make up some points going to Redbud. I love that track. 4th of July weekend here, Independence Day weekend, there's not much better way to spend it than up on the box. So I'm pumped. Last week was released Team USA. I'm officially a part of that again. So, it's just a great weekend. I can't wait to keep on charging 2 more rounds and then head over to Denmark here in, 2 months.
Hi, my name's Joel Hetrick. I'm one of the fastest men in the world. I run the #1 plate, and I'm here at Unadilla, New York, here to kick some butt. Have a nice day.